Wewahitchka High School is a great little school here. It's a rural area. About 350 kids, 7 through 12. A great school though. Our kids are interested in bettering themselves. Miss Cameron Topman is a reading ELA teacher here, English Language Arts teacher. Particularly what impressed me about Cameron is she wants to individualize education for each student. She knows she's jumping on the LearnStorm, and the Khan Academy is one of her tools.
The activity that you guys are going to do next is talking about the growth mindset.
I was introduced to LearnStorm this year by one of our math teachers who was participating, and she thought that we would benefit from the growth mindset content and activities that came with LearnStorm.
One thing I learned from the growth mindset activities is that your intelligence can grow just like your muscles can grow, and that's something that really stuck with me because I didn't know that before.
This is my first year actually using Khan Academy in a classroom, and I've found it an extremely valuable tool. I was teaching a class for students who were trying to improve their test score on the SAT and ACT, and so we found some specific lessons that worked really well with them. Definitely the LearnStorm portion of the program was more enjoyable to students, I think, than just the regular skills practice that they were doing. They were motivated by seeing their daily progress on that progress tracker.
LearnStorm really helped me because it really helped me realize that I had more potential than I thought I did.
LearnStorm made everything fun. Made learning fun. LearnStorm helped me build more confidence and believing in myself that I can do this. I don't really think I would go through high school without it.
I think the biggest impact that LearnStorm had on my students this year was for those students who really took the time and engaged in the self-reflection activities. They've learned the skill of goal setting. They've learned things that are going to affect them their whole lives, and they're going to be able to keep going and keep growing.
The world is going digital, and we need to start finding good digital resources in schools. Khan Academy has been the first one that I felt like could be a very significant part of a curriculum here at Wewahitchka High School.